Melissa is trying to stump you this morning. She's got an amazing where in the world picture.
Isn't this a beautiful shot? You've got those clear blue skies up at the top and a deep canyon, a beautiful river there at the bottom. And if you think you know where in the world this spectacular site is, put in your guesses now. I'll have that answer coming up here in just a little less than 20 minutes at the end of the show. You can send your guesses to me on Facebook, Twitter, email. And then if you have a weather picture that you'd like to share, I'd always also love to see that. You can send it my direction. High temperatures yesterday, low 80s here in the southern Willamette Valley, made all the way up to 85 in Eugene. Head south, even warmer, right back up into the low 90s in Medford. Nearly 90 in Redmond yesterday, and it did get into the mid 90s when you head over to the eastern side of the state. The coast continues to be quite a bit cooler, rather comfortable though, in North Bend at 70, 64 for the high temperature there in Newport. Now this morning we are waking up to that marine layer all the way down the coast. A little bit patchy fog here in the southern Willamette Valley, but otherwise clear skies here for the rest of us. Temperatures this morning are not bad. We're sitting at 50 degrees at the airport. Dew point a couple degrees behind at 48. The wind is calm and the visibility, even with that light fog, is still at the full 10 miles. It's a beautiful sunrise over downtown Eugene. You see that sun's been going for about an hour and a half at this point, and we are seeing those crystal clear blue skies over downtown Eugene. Head out to the coast, again a little bit of fog there, low 60s this morning. Visibility still at the 10 miles, even with that marine layer moving in across the beach. Now we had a little trough of low pressure move in Friday and Saturday, and that's why we saw just a couple extra clouds to start the day, and those temperatures dropping back down into the upper 70s for Friday, then low 80s for Saturday. But now we're seeing the exact opposite. Nice little ridge of high pressure is going to move in here for the next couple of days. That's going to keep that marine layer west of the coast range. So just out at the coast, we'll see clear skies here inland. It'll help to bring those temperatures up a couple extra degrees as well. That'll last us through Wednesday. Then for the second half of the week, we see another little trough move in. That'll bring back that marine layer all the way into the valley and drop our temperatures back down closer to average, which is right at about 80 degrees for this time of year. So here in Precision Cast, our computer model taking a look into the future of where we can expect both clouds and precipitation. Not expecting any precipitation this week, but again, that marine layer will stay pretty close to the coast for the next couple of days. It'll retreat out to the beach for the afternoon. You can see now we're into Tuesday, even into Wednesday, those clouds not making it east of the coast range. They will do that though for Thursday and Friday. So out of the coast today, you'll see your high temperatures back into the mid to upper 60s. A few morning clouds, afternoon sun breaks, and those winds staying from the north, still quite breezy, about 10 to 20 miles per hour. Again, you'll see similar conditions here for Tuesday and Wednesday, upper 60s and low 70s. Then a couple degrees cooler as we head into the end of the week as that marine layer gets thicker. Could even see a little bit of drizzle Friday morning. That's about it. And then it's back to more sunshine for the weekend and low 70s. The Umpqua Basin, you'll be in the mid to upper 80s today, nearly 90 in Roseburg. Sunny and quite warm, 92 for Tuesday, and then about 89 on Wednesday. And then as that marine layer moves in, you'll see your temperatures drop down into the low 80s here to wrap up the work week. The Cascades will be back into the mid 70s, so quite warm there as well. Foothills, you'll be back up close to 80 today. Central Oregon also warming in the mid to upper 80s. Winds will stay out of the northwest. Sunny skies for you. That'll continue pretty much all week. High temperatures will be in the low 90s and upper 80s through Wednesday. Then again, a little bit cooler for Friday, down to about 80 degrees. And for the valley, we'll top out in the mid 80s today. Sunny and warm for us. This is about 5 degrees above average for this time of year. Even warmer Tuesday at 88 degrees. And then again, if that's just a little too warm for you and you like that 80-degree mark, that's where we will be Thursday all the way into Saturday. And even though it's going to get cooler, there's still no rain in sight. So you got to make sure that you're watering your garden and your yards.
Tell me about it.
Yeah.
I think a lot of people are saying, yes, we know, Melissa.
We know.
We know.
Yeah.